Sometimes unwanted noises have the audacity to sound bomb, photobomb, just sound. I'm going to go through how I remove these unwanted noises from my videos using Audacity. First, let's start off in Shotcut. We need to have some examples of the audio that we would like to remove. At the start of most of my shoots, I add this color correction mat, microphones on, so I can grab hopefully all the room ambient noises like fans, AC, refrigerators, lights, water fountains, humidifiers. As you can hear, that is probably the AC and the refrigerator running. Now that we have a few seconds of that, we can scrub through the rest of our video and try to identify any other background noise that we want to remove. For instance, here, the induction stovetop has a fan. Remove that. I want to pick up the frying noise, so what I did is I went ahead and kept in a few seconds of mostly nothing but that fan noise. Now the next thing we want to do in preparation is to go ahead and set our audio levels, so like our gain. For this particular video, I want it to be around -10 decibels. Scrub through, sometimes find the loudest portion here. You can see we're already peaking way too high. I put the gain on the entire timeline track. I'm going to bring this down to about -10. One more side note, wait to do any transitions or speed adjustments until after your audio has been fixed. Now let's export our file to Audacity. I like to pick what my final export will be and disable the video, then export. A long time ago with a different video editor even, I had problems with audio syncing up unless I did this method. So that's just what I do now. Probably not necessary. In this first area where we picked up the ambient noise in the room, you want to go ahead and filter that for everything. And then we'll go and try to pick up those fryer fans, because those fryer fans are actually affected by the ambient noise of the room as well. So we want to try to do this in an order. So first thing we're going to do is highlight the area. We know that we have some clean, dirty noises. And I try to pick up about 1 to 3 seconds worth. And listen to it a few times to see if you can tell if there's any other noises. After that, we go to Effects, go to Noise Reduction. Then you're going to click on the Get Noise Profile. Now that we've given Audacity a sound profile, I want to find a 3-second area where I can actually hear noises that we do want to keep in. Now we're going to go back to Effects, Noise Removal and Repair, Noise Reduction. The reason why I wanted to highlight a 3-second sample of what we do want to keep is so that way I know what it's going to sound like after the unwanted noise is removed. We may want to either resample it or give it a new noise profile or just adjust the noise reduction. So we're going to go to Preview. You can still hear the unwanted noises. You can go to 25. What that does is reduces it by 25 decibels. I still hear fan noise. So let's go to 45. Oh yes. I don't hear the fan noise anymore. Got 30. See, I hear the fan noise here, but I don't see any weird sounding tinniness. So I think I feel safe to go to 40. Okay. Now I'm going to hit cancel. Control A to highlight everything. We know that our target is 40. Okay. And it looks like it was removed. Okay. Let's move on to the induction top fans. You can already hear that's been reduced just by removing the ambient noise. So now remember back to the video. We had a nice, clean, dirty section. Make sure we don't hear anything else. Go to Effects, Noise Removal and Repair, or Noise Reduction. Get Noise Profile. Again, I'm going to highlight an area that we do want to keep, just to make sure that sounds good after the reduction. Let's just go ahead and go to 40. That sounds pretty good. Hit cancel, because we actually want to grab what we need. It's good for us to only select the area that we do want to remove the bad noise. And now we'll go back to Effects, Noise Reduction. All right. And of course, if you don't like it, you can always Control Z. Let's find out how that sounds. Sounds pretty good. I do get a feeling that we've lost a little bit of the fry noise, but I'm sure all of us agrees we much rather have what it is now than what it was. Now we're just going to export. I usually export as a wave. import a fixed audio. We're going to add our audio track. You can go to the hamburger on your timeline and then insert audio track, or just hit Control U. Drag that down. Then you can see where these peaks. Boom, boom, boom. I'll go to audio. There we go. We can see where these peaks lined up, so that's a good sign. Now you want to mute your bad track. Don't want to go through all that work and spend the time to export with the bad track still on. No one would have ever done that a few times. Let's play some differences here. Original. Cleaned. Original. Extra crispy. When you go back to export, that you enable the video. Hope this has helped or just entertain your curiosity. Thanks and have a good day.